Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to know how to find Zara inspired fashion on AliExpress? Today's video I'm going to show you how to find Zara on AliExpress. First, open up the AliExpress app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in into your account and tap onto your search bar and type Zara, followed by the items you are looking for like Zara coat or Zara dress. Browse through the search result, but remember, you might not find official Zara item here. AliExpress is full of similar style from different sellers. Use filters to narrow down your search. You can sort by price, rating, and review to make sure you are getting the best deal on stylish item that looks like Zara. Now look for the product you have been wanting. Check out the product's detail, including seller rating and reviews to ensure the quality is up to your expectation. And that's it. You are ready to rock your Zara inspired look. Remember to shop smart and always check reviews. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.